At syempre ngayong umaga lang din mga boss, lahat naman tayo mahilig sa music. Pero syempre, iba yung music na dala ng orchestra. Parang very magical eh. So ngayon, meron tayong chance makapanood ng live orchestra. Mapag-usapan rin natin yan kasama si Miss Chingay Diaz Lagdameo, ang Executive Director ng Metro Manila Concert Orchestra, at si Miss Clarita Ordonez, ang Vice President ng Metro Manila Concert Orchestra. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sandro.
Yes. So, maybe we could talk about the Metro Manila Concert Orchestra. So, what is the Metro Manila Concert Orchestra?
It's a 55-piece full symphony orchestra. We perform varied music, ranging from the classical to the modern to the contemporary to pop and jazz. And it was founded in the year 2000, so we are 14 years old. It's a relatively young orchestra, and it's led by Professor Josefino Chino Toledo.
Okay.
And Chinga is the heartbeat.
No, I'm sorry. I'm not the heartbeat. It's Chino who's the heartbeat.
Okay. So the group has been together for how long?
14 years.
14
We're
years.
celebrating our 14th concert season this year.
Okay. And then maybe we could talk about some of the concerts that you've done in the past. Maybe some of our audience viewers are familiar with some of the works that you've done.
Well, we have brought in internationally acclaimed Filipino artists. Albert Tiu from Singapore, Aima Labra Mac, she is a resident in Austria. And we are featuring for this year, for example, Christine Coyuto. And she's known as the poetess of the piano.
Wow.
We are introducing and launching also this year a new work of Professor Alfredo Buenaventura called Maharlika. It's a special composition for orchestra and clarinet.
Okay.
So the past concerts have featured a variety. We do concerts in schools, in malls, in public plazas, and we've featured many Filipino composers and of course the classical masters.
Okay. And now I understand you'll be having a concert this coming Saturday entitled Beethoven Plus. So can we talk more about Beethoven Plus?
Well, this is the opening of the concert season of the Metro Manila Concert Orchestra, and it's going to be this Saturday, August 9 at 7:30 p.m. at the newly renovated Far Eastern University Auditorium. And we are featuring a USA-based concert pianist. Her name is Hias Hila. You must be familiar with
actually,
her.
her father was a professor of mine back in De La Salle.
Yes.
And I'm a big fan of Professor Hila, and I understand all his sons and daughters are inclined with the music. I think one of his sons is a pianist also for one of the bands in the Philippine scene, Bloomfields, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, that's right.
So I think it's Lacan.
Hias is a very young concert pianist, but she's a very outstanding, and she's going to interpret or perform the Beethoven Plus. We say Plus because there are other works that of other composers that will also be played during on Saturday. So, and then right after Saturday, we also have an outreach in Assumption Antipolo at the Assumption Antipolo Theater, and we will be featuring different kinds of music. Also, this is aligned with the K-12 curriculum. Yes, because we want to expose the students, not only of Assumption, but all students, to the world of music. And so these, they will be exposed to other eras and world music.
Yes, all the genres.
Yes, that's on August 15. And on August 23rd, we will be featuring a New York-based concert pianist who is also a banker. He has parallel careers. Yes. His name is Jose Artemio Panganiban III, the son of former Chief Justice Arturo Panganiban, and he will be performing Schumann Plus.
Okay. So at this point, maybe we could invite our viewers. How do they contact you for your events and like for tickets of the events that you will be having?
You can get tickets through Ticket World, and you can also call the MMCO office. And right on the day itself, tickets will be sold, and we have the regular senior citizen discount and the special student 50% discount.
Give the number.
Well, the number of Ticket World, I think it's 8199999.
MMC.
It's a new number.
Yeah.
All right.
861-7477.
Okay, so yan mga boss, ready na kayo kung interesado kayong manood at syempre maganda ang in store for you guys. Kumbaga matututo tayo ng iba't ibang genre ng music at may expose tayo sa galing ng Pinoy. At yan, maraming salamat na kasama natin ang mga mula sa Metro Manila Concert Orchestra, ang kanilang executive director na si Miss Chingay Diaz Lagdameo at ang kanilang vice president na si Miss Clarita Ordonez. Maraming salamat for your time this morning. Thank you.
Thank you very
Salamat
much.
din.
Alright.
Thank you, Sandro.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
At syempre,
Please stand, ha?
marami pa tayong